Contents, preface, prologue, books and algorithms, enter Fibonacci, big O notation, exercises, algorithms with numbers, basic arithmetic, modular arithmetic, primarily testing, cryptography, universal hashing, exercises, randomized algorithms, a virtual chapter, divide and conquer algorithms, multiplication, recurrence, relations, merge sort, medians, matrix multiplication, the fast Fourier transform, exercises, decompositions of graphs, Y graphs, depth first search in undirected graphs, depth first search in directed graphs, strongly connected components, exercises, paths and graphs, distances, breadth first search, lengths on edges, dexterous algorithms, priority queue implementations, shortest paths in the presence of negative edges, shortest paths in DAGs, greedy algorithms, minimum spanning trees, Huffman encoding, Horn formulas, set cover, dynamic programming, shortest path in DAGs, revisited, longest increasing subsequences, edit distance, knapsack, chain matrix multiplication, shortest paths, independent sets in trees, exercises, linear programming and reductions, an introduction to linear programming, flows in networks, bipartite, matching, duality, zero-sum games, the simplex algorithm, postscript circuit evaluation, NP-complete problems, search problems, NP-complete problems, the reductions, coping with NP-completeness, intelligent exhaustive search, approximation, algorithms, local search, heuristics, quantum algorithms, qubits, superposition, and measurement, the plan, the quantum Fourier transform, periodicity, quantum circuits, factoring and periodicity, the quantum algorithm for factoring, exercises, historical notes and further reading, index, list of boxes, bases and logs, two components. Is your social security number prime? Hey, that was a group theory. Carmichael numbers, randomized algorithms, a virtual chapter, an application of number theory, binary search, an n log n, a lower bound for sorting, the Unix sort command, y multiply polynomials, the slow spread of a fast algorithm, how big is your graph, crawling fast, which heap is best, trees, a randomized algorithm for minimum cut entropy, recursion, no thanks, programming, common subproblems of mice and men, memorization, on time and memory, a magic trick called duality, reductions, matrix vector notation, visualizing duality, Gaussian elimination, linear programming in polynomial time, story of Sissa and more, YP and NP, the two ways to use reductions, unsolvable problems, entanglement, the Fourier transform of a periodic vector, setting up a periodic superposition, quantum physics meets computation. Preface. This book, preface.